Another month where the jobs figures show a record number of vacancies as the economy recovers from COVID and unemployment falls to the levels at the start of the pandemic. But on the streets of the likes of Eastbourne, the flip side of that, bins uncollected as strikes among drivers and collectors spread from other towns.
You should be respected, you should be well paid, and you should have decent facilities.
At a picket at the depot, the drivers have turned down a rise of 7% offered by the local council-owned waste company, demanding a rise of 20%.
7% of a low hourly rate is a low percentage. That's why we're saying, forget that, let's get to £13.50. That's the market rate going right now. Recognise that and pay what they're worth.
And when you say the market rate, that's because there's a shortage of HGV drivers elsewhere in the commercial sector.
Yes, it is as simple as that.
We'll stand with you and we're going to win it.
Yeah.
This afternoon, the refuse collectors who had been on strike pronounced victory. A pay rise of 11% agreed by the council. The union predicts these demands will spread elsewhere.
What we've seen in the last couple of years is effectively labour become a seller's market. There's over 1 million vacancies in the country. We're seeing huge areas like social care, HGV drivers, gas fitters. There are shortages. And I think employers need to understand this. And it's simply not acceptable that people are expected to see a cut in their living while performing an essential service.
Today's figures show across the economy pay is increasing less than prices. Wage hikes are for now limited to sectors with shortages. Where that goes is the big unknown of the recovery. Faisal Islam, BBC News in Eastbourne.